Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can break into VIP on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to pretty much go to like these grass walls and just jump, making sure you don't jump too far. And you're just going to go near the edges here. Where is the VIP section? I'm actually not quite sure where it is. I think that's it on the left. Oh dear. Okay, I have to go to the roof here. I don't remember where the VIP room is. I think that is the one to the left. Just make sure you stay at the edge, because if you're in the middle, you will fall. You're just going to walk here. And you're just going to jump. And you're in the VIP section. Ta-da! I don't know if you can put anything on though, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. It's pretty simple actually now to just go in here for some reasons. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Where is the post back? Thank you. Oh, here it is. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.